Engineered for precision and built for power, the Rutlands sliding mitre saw is built to handle every cut with accuracy and ease. The powerful 2,000-watt motor and 305mm 60-tooth TCT blade glide effortlessly through hardwoods, softwoods, and composite materials, leaving a smooth, feather-free finish every time. The double bevel design allows cutting angles from 0 degrees to 48 degrees, both left and right, while the cast aluminium turntable provides mitre adjustment up to 52 degrees left and 55 degrees right. Positive stops at the most common settings allow quick, repeatable adjustments. The forward-facing twin sliding rails let the saw sit flush against a wall, perfect for compact workshops or benchtop setups as shallow as 760mm. Its direct drive motor features soft start and constant speed control, maintaining smooth, consistent cutting under load. It offers an impressive 340 by 90mm straight cut capacity, and with the fine adjust depth stop, you can easily set up for trenching, grooves and rebates. A precision LED shadow line indicator projects a clear outline of the blade curve directly onto your workpiece. A 37mm rear dust port captures debris efficiently when connected to a shop vacuum or dust bag. The robust cast aluminium turntable ensures accuracy and durability, while the CNC machined dual sliding fences provide exceptional support for tall workpieces such as skirting boards and cornices. Each fence features clear, integrated scales. Both table extensions glide smoothly outward to offer up to 1,160mm of total workpiece support, each fitted with flip stops for quick, repeatable cuts. And a quick-action clamp locks your workpiece securely in place on either side of the table. For accuracy, control, and build quality that lasts, this is the Rutlands sliding double bevel mitre saw.